Morning, okay. Morning. I still have no dog. I already passed my birthday and I still have no dog. What's going on? Mom doesn't like to have a dog or something. I'll go dress up. There, not this ribbon. I have to tie it. There we go. Put it on. Ow. That hurts. Oh, sweetheart, you're here. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Oh, yeah, and we have a surprise. A surprise? Yeah. Shh, your mom will go and get it. Oh my god. You could open it here. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. Roller skates. Thanks, Mom. Okay. Thanks. Sweetheart, I know you want a dog, but we have no money to buy one. Yes, we have no money, not bunny. Yeah. Yeah. We're not really rich. I know that we aren't. Oh, so you could go and, enjoy roller skating. We'll just close this and you could take it to your bedroom. Okay. Oh yeah, and then come back and eat dinner. Okay. I thought it was a dog. When am I getting one? When am I getting one? Ugh. I thought it was my birthday present. Everyone just gave me toys, not a dog or a pet. It's so annoying. No one gives me pets, dogs, or anything. Ugh. That's not fair. Everyone from my friends have a dog. Whatever. I'm only gonna eat dinner. Is breakfast ready? Yes, sweetheart. You could sit down. Okay. What's for dinner? I meant breakfast. Sorry. What's your favorite cookies? Oh yeah, and I have to go to work, so bye. Bye. Bye, Dad. Nice biscuits. Yeah, they're your favorite, I told you. Yeah. Oh, do you like the roller skates? Yeah, they're cool. Yeah, I know. You want a dog? You will get a dog when we get money and everything like that. Yeah. Thanks, Mom, for telling me. Anyways, I'm finished eating breakfast, so I'll go play. Yeah, it's Saturday and Sunday, so you don't need to go to school. I know, Mom. So I'm going to play. Have fun playing. If I saw a shooting star, I would wish for a dog. That's the only wish I want. A dog. I could play with it